Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of the recipes and how I deliver the recipes in the realfoodrecipesclub.com members area. And so the recipes that I post in the free group are different most of the time than the ones that I am giving my members. And so here is, in February of 2021, we are going to do two different meal plans. So we've got one meal plan that will go for week 1 and week 3, and one meal plan that will go for week 2 and week 4. This is how I plan very easily. I try to make sure, so here I've got Monday, here is our meal plan, one pan chicken, grapes, and veggies, and then that will be lunch on Tuesday. So if you see, I've got dinner on the night before is lunch the next day. So we're using up our leftovers. And then again, I have a snack, but I recommend if you're not, let's say you've got something and you have to go have dinner out on Wednesday. Okay, just skip that one or make it and then just have it for lunch the next couple of days. But really try to make these work for you. These are suggested meal plans. This is not a you have to kind of thing. This is I'm giving you the ideas and I want you to get them to work for you. Make them work for you. And if you have questions about that, please let me know. So I am giving you, breakfast ideas. There's recipes for breakfast. There's a snack each day. This is Monday, right? So we didn't have anything from Sunday. So there's a snack, a sandwich idea. Here's an optional snack if you need more. And then here is our grocery list for the week. So this will be our grocery list. You just print that out, go to the store, add in whatever you need. And then we've got all of our recipes here. I have added a little picture with some of these. Here's your directions. Here's some notes, leftovers if you want to make it sweeter, if you don't want to, like let's say this one here, oats, coconut milk, chia seeds, mango. This sounds amazing. Let's say you don't like chia seeds. Okay, don't put them in there. Like, make it work for you. Just have oatmeal. There's a smoothie, a quick smoothie. You can get, there's avocado chunks that are frozen. You can even just have an avocado chunks that are frozen. Sweet potatoes, you can make these on Sunday and then just grab them. And then that, I tried to make a bigger meal on Saturday or Sunday morning. I think this is a Sunday morning. There's a snack idea. Another one, grapes and pistachios as a snack idea. There's the recipe for the hummus sandwich. So one of my favorites is, now again, you can use whatever tortilla you like. Some people, like gluten-free. Some people don't. They just like regular tortillas, whatever you can find. I will say that the cassava tortillas from Siete in the frozen food section are amazing. So optional, here's how to make that. One pan chicken, grapes, and veggies. So there it is, refrigerate, serving size, add more flavor, add in different, you could add balsamic vinegar over the top. You can do all kinds of fun things. Don't like acorn squash, use zucchini. Make this work for you. I'm not big on dark meat, so I'll probably do chicken breast for this instead of drumsticks, right? So, or do whatever works for you. Okay, so here are all of the recipes. This is how the recipes come. And then here I do the same. Here's week 2 and 4. Here's your breakfast ideas, snack, lunch, dinners. There's your grocery list. Then, oh, look at that one. Brownie pancakes. So we've got tons of fun recipes in here for you to use. I'm trying to find the dinner ones here. There's a chickpea salad sandwich. And then you can just make them work for you. Find what's going on here. This one is even kind of already put aside for you to have breakfast. The unstuffed cabbage rolls. I made this for dinner last night. It was great. It was really good. So that's just a quick walkthrough of what we have in the Real Food Recipes Club and in the members area, and I give you everything you need for the week, or for the month basically, and you can stick to your health goals and still eat healthy food. All right, talk to you soon.